Hello everyone! Today let's talk about Palantir AIP. When people hear AI, they think ChatGPT. AIP is something different. It's not a general chatbot. It sits directly on top of your ontology, reads your real data, then answers questions, makes decisions, and even triggers actions based on the real data. Palantir calls this operational AI. The AI isn't just talking, it's working inside of your business. AIP has 3 core capabilities. Agent Studio is where you build interactive assistants. AIP Logic is where you customize AI functions. And Document Intelligence is AI-powered document processing that extracts structured data from unstructured documents. In this lesson, we will focus on AI Studio, the interactive assistants. Open AIP from the left navbar, select Agent Studio, then click Create Agent. Name it as Property Data Assistant. Now you need to give it tools. In the Tools section, add a query objects with SQL tool for each object type. Give each tool a clear name and description so the model knows when to use it. Then you can write instructions telling the agent what it is and how to use those tools. Then you can start asking the agent, how many open work orders are there? The AI will recognize work orders maps to work order, open maps to status equals open, and runs the query and gives you the counts. This assistant can answer questions, but it can't change anything since we haven't granted it any action permissions. In the next lesson, we will add action permissions. The assistant becomes a full agent at that point that queries data and executes actions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.